Dad! Why isn't my car working?
Looks like the battery might be dead. Let me check. Oh wait, there's no battery inside. Where did the battery cells go?
I don't know, Dad. Liam was playing with it a while ago.
Hey Liam, where did you put the battery cells?
They're right here in my pocket. Dad,
Give them to me quickly. Wait a second. There are only 2. Where are the other 2? Come on, hand them over.
okay, Dad. 2 are in this car and 2 are in that one. Here, take them all.
Good boy. Now go and play. I'll put these batteries into Luna's racing car. Luna, come here and help me out.
Okay, Dad. But seriously, what kind of weird YouTube videos are you even making? No one's going to watch them.
No, Luna. The people who watch our videos are really kind. You'll see. They'll like, subscribe, and even comment the name of their favorite toy.
Yeah, Dad, I'll check out their favorite toys too. Thanks, Dad!